Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching iMovie and creating a new movie project. This is where your edits live. Import footage immediately, drag from Finder, use import media, or choose clips from photos. Name the project so you can find it later. Set the aspect ratio to 16, 9 for standard video or 9, 16 for mobile. Once done, skim clips in the browser and mark in and out points to select usable moments before you add anything to the timeline. Now you're building the story. Drag chosen clips to the timeline and arrange them in your intended sequence. Trim by dragging edges, split with Command+B, and use the precision editor for frame-accurate cuts. This gives you tight pacing. Add transitions between clips sparingly to maintain flow, stabilize shaky footage from the Adjust toolbar, and speed up or slow down clips where emphasis is needed. Make sure audio levels are consistent as you go, because fixing audio later is harder. Finish by adding titles, B-roll, and music to support the edit. Place lower third titles where names appear. Use color balance and color correction to match shots and adjust audio levels or add keyframes to avoid clipping. When ready, choose Share Right Arrow File, pick Resolution and Quality, and export a finished movie. If export fails, check disk space and project media paths first, relink missing files, convert unsupported formats in QuickTime. Then try exporting again. This resolves most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.